On this week's episode, one pot prawn and noodle stir fry. Ingredients. Begin with cutting broccoli, thinly slicing carrots, bell peppers, and onions. Pour boiling water over the vegetables and add aromat seasoning or salt. Over a high heat, add boiling water, oil, aromat seasoning or salt, and spaghetti. With 4 minutes left of the spaghetti cooking time, add egg noodles. Drain the water and run them under the cold tap. On a medium to high heat, add prawns, smoked paprika, Cajun seasoning, ginger puree, garlic granules, aromat seasoning, Nando's paprika and lime, Worcestershire sauce, sweet chili sauce, Nando's peri-peri sauce. Cover with lid and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Add tomato chutney, sweet chili and garlic sauce. Reduce to a medium heat, then add the spaghetti and noodles. Finally, add the vegetables. Mix, making sure the vegetables are coated in the sauce. And that's it. Enjoy this very easy to make one pot prawn and noodle stir fry. It has a delightfully sweet and fiery kick, with texture and depth added by the silky egg noodles, spaghetti and crunchy vegetables. Thank you all for watching. Love you all, and God bless.